Lemongrass is fragrant, it's delicious, and it's also practical. And these are 3 reasons that we love growing lemongrass in our garden. It also looks fantastic in the garden too. Lemongrass is pretty easy to grow in a tropical climate. Even in a temperate climate you can grow lemongrass, and apparently it can even be grown indoors in colder climates. Here in northern Thailand it grows like anything. It's a grass. We've got plenty of grass around here, not just as lawns but also in the rice fields around here, and our bamboo is also grass. We do like to plant vetiver grass, which is known as the king's grass, and now we're starting to plant more lemongrass because we're really discovering more about how wonderful it is. Lemongrass is pretty common in Thai cuisine, and it just adds that really special flavour. And my wife has also started preparing it so that we can drink it easily. She'll boil up a batch of lemongrass, put it in the fridge, and we mix it with some soda water, and it is the most refreshing drink. It's absolutely wonderful coming in after working in the garden and sweating and being so hot and getting a nice cold drink of lemongrass and soda. It's fabulously refreshing. And lemongrass is also used as an essential oil and as a fragrance. Some types of lemongrass, known as citronella, are fabulous as insect repellent. So as mosquito repellents, I'm sure many of you will be familiar that you can buy organic mosquito repellent that is citronella. That's all we use here as a mosquito repellent in a spray form, but I'm also going to experiment in other ways, and I'll talk about that a little more in a minute. There's a bunch of different varieties of lemongrass, but there's 2 main types. The culinary type, which is used in all kinds of different dishes, and the fragrant type, which can be used in essential oils and, as I mentioned, as an insect repellent. Using it in an oil as aromatherapy, it can be really relaxing. It can be a fabulous stress relief. We now have these steamers in our guest rooms, and we'll just start them prior to guests arriving, and it just brings this fabulous fresh aroma into the room, which is really natural and welcoming for our guests. Planting lemongrass is also pretty easy. We can just buy it from our local market. Anywhere in Thailand, anywhere in Asia, you're probably going to find it pretty easy to pick up a bunch of lemongrass at the market, and then we'll just leave it sitting in some water for a couple of weeks to help those roots come back again. And once it's rooted, we'll put it into pots and then leave it for a while, let those roots develop a bit of strength, and then we'll plant it out in the garden. I've recently planted quite a few new shoots of lemongrass in our garden, and I've got room for more because we love the smell of it, and as I said, we love to make it into drinks and use it in cooking. And eating lemongrass or drinking the juice is really beneficial to your health. It's a great antioxidant. It's also got antimicrobial and antifungal properties, and it's an anti-inflammatory as well. So there's plenty of benefits. There's vitamins A, vitamin C, it's got magnesium, it's got iron in it. There's other benefits too, so it's really a very, very healthy addition to your diet. And it's also a diuretic, so it can help with things like blood pressure and weight loss as well. We were up in Chiang Mai the other day, so we purchased some more. This style we can't buy at the local market. This is the citronella one, and I'm going to pot this up and put it on my porch where I sit in the evening, and quite often get a few mosquitoes up there. So I thought, let's plant some lemongrass, the citronella variety, for the porch, and hopefully that will help to reduce the amount of mosquitoes in the area. It's just such a wonderful plant, and even sometimes when I'm weeding in the garden with the weed whacker, I will be coming past the lemongrass that we've got growing down there, and I'll quite often just take a little bit off just for the scent of it when I'm in the garden. It's so beautiful and very practical. We'll see how this grows, and hopefully it will help to reduce the mosquitoes on our porch in the evening. We've also got a couple more that I'm going to put down in front down here. Quite often we've got customers who like to sit outside in the evening, and so we'll have some lemongrass there to help beautify the environment and to repel the mosquitoes. It's something that we're beginning to do more and more here at Suanshook Homestay, to plant herbs in our garden that are beautiful and also beneficial. And we like to share these benefits with our customers when we have people come to stay here with us at Suanshook Homestay. So if you'd like to learn more about this and the benefits of growing lemongrass and other Thai herbs, please check out this video here. Thanks very much for watching.